Greeting, kitchen enthusiast. Not only are we whipping something super easy to do, but it's a feast for the palate and the eyes. Creamy Old Bay shrimp linguine. Let's get into it. All right, we got our pasta in the water. Now it's any instructions on any box of linguine, just go al dente. Let's get our shrimp and put it in the bowl. Do some Old Bay seasoning. This is so good on seafood. It's packed full of paprika, cinnamon, mace, all kinds of delightful flavors. Some salt. And some Irby's black rustic pepper. Just give that a nice toss around, just until everything's kind of coated nicely. And then behind me, we're gonna go in a saute pan with a little olive oil, a little butter, and we're gonna get this shrimp cooking off. And our old trusty Williams wine extra virgin olive oil. All right, our shrimp that's been coated in Old Bay seasoning, Irby's black pepper, and some salt. After I flip the shrimp, we'll cook it for about another 30 seconds or so. Take the shrimp out of the pan and then deglaze it with some chopped garlic. You know, after doing this for so many years, your hands turn into leather. And they're not too sensitive with heat. Gotta have fun when you're doing these recipes, you know what I mean? It's all about having fun. I get to cook for a living. It's a dream come true. All right, these shrimps are a little bit pink. We're gonna go ahead and take them out and put them on this blue plate right over here. They're gonna come back into the cozy pan in just a few seconds, but just to prevent them from overcooking. So let's get our garlic in the pan, turn down our heat a little bit. Shrimp's out of the pan. There's all kinds of flavorful little bits in there. Let's go ahead and catch them with our garlic. Deglaze. Such an easy pasta to do. Great lunch. You can smell the garlic in the air. Oh, okay. Let's go in with some cream. Boom. You can see all those spices are incorporating with the cream. So I'm going to season the cream again with some more Old Bay seasoning. Boom. And I always wait for white pepper at the end because it just burns out so fast. So with this pasta water, I'm going to go ahead and save about a half a cup of this liquid. That should be just fine. I'm going to go ahead and strain my pasta. It's a free facial I'm getting right now. All right. I don't like to rinse it too much because that washes off all the starches from it. So we'll just kind of let it sit there, do its thing, and relax. You know what I mean? So let's go back to our sauce with our Parmesan. Okay. Add our Parmesan. Add our shrimps. Stir to combine. And our pasta water. You might not need all of it. You might need all of it. You just gotta feel it out. Let's raise the heat a little bit. Okay, let's get our pasta in there. Chop parsley. We'll leave a little bit for the top. And white pepper goes really good with Chardonnays. This is looking creamy and dreamy, let me tell you. Give it a little season. Let's see what it needs, if anything. Just a little bit of salt. It smells wonderful. It looks yummy. I'm getting hungry just looking at it. We put our pasta in. It's thickened up nicely. It smells wonderful. All right. Let's get some on a plate. Look how creamy those are. This looks like this came out straight out of a bistro, but it's a 10-minute recipe that you could do at home really quickly. Old Bay garlic shrimp. Enjoy.